Alright folks, welcome back to another Newbie Views review. Today's segment, grumpy old reviews. Why am I grumpy? Well, as you know, I've been sick. But here's a second video featuring our favorite nemesis, Subway. That's right, Subway. So a few weeks ago, sitting in bed, sick as a dog, and I saw that they had onion rings. 5 for $2 or something like that. So I go into the Subway. Here, cut into this. This is where I went. So I go in there. I ask for onion rings. He goes, "You mean potato rings?" What? Potato rings? Yeah, that's right. Potato rings. They don't have onion rings. They have potato rings. What are potato rings? I'm grumpy now. They don't have onion rings. I can't even review them. So, here we go. Subway. Potato rings. So, you get for $2. Oh, that doesn't... Oh, no. They look soggy. Nasty as hell. Look. Look at that. Potato rings. So, they come frozen. Oh, my God. They're soggy. Look. That's hot. Ultimate flop. They've got that Speed Queen heater. I don't know what it is. It's like a convection heater. They threw it in there. So there's some crispy texture from the frying at the factory. But it's like lukewarm on this one. It's boiling hot in that one. And it's wet. Like as in floppy wet. I'm getting grumpier by the minute. I don't know if I can eat this. They gave us 2 ketchup packets. Let's go in for a bite. Oh my God. Wet, noodly potato rings. You get 4 for $2. I had to do a little prayer. Let's see if this tastes good. There's no salt on them. Oh my God, I know exactly what this tastes like. This tastes like a wet hash brown that's been sitting in a bag for 5 minutes. It's a hash brown. The problem with this hash brown is there's no salt on it. It tastes terrible. So what they did give us though was ketchup packs. Oh my God. It's no-name ketchup. Now I'm super grumpy. I don't even get good ketchup. These are wet and noodly and super greasy. These taste like wet, soggy old potato wedges that have been sitting around for a while. They're terrible. I'm never gonna order these again, and I'm grumpy about it. $2 for 4. This is 50 cents a bite. You might as well just go to McDonald's and get out a breakfast hash brown because this is terrible, or Tim Hortons. Alright, that's it. This segment is over. Terrible. I'll give this a 2 out of 5. But if you like potatoes, this might be the only choice you have at Subway. Alright, that's it folks. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. Turn on your notifications for our next video. This has been a Newbie Views Grumpy Old Review. Bye.